Welcome back. Gomantak Bahujan Mahasangh has demanded reversal of sunset clauses in the amended Tenancy Act. Mahasangh has severely opposed the amendments. Members have slammed government for neglecting critical issues. When questioned on government's controversial marina project, Mahasangh said they are handling issues step by step.
पण आम्ही शेतकरी वर्ग आसात, ह्या गोयचे भूमीचे शेतकरी वर्ग आसा तो गोमंतक बहुजन महासंघाचो प्रमुख घटक आसा. जी 3 कलमां बदल केला ती आम्ही 100 ने 200 times ready to discuss across the table with anybody, with any expert, with proof how it is this अन्यायकारक कशें असते. There are other also articles आनीक आसात की कोर्टान वचप हे अत्यंत अन्यायकारक आसात. खरं म्हणल्यार कायदो समजा बदल करपाचो असो भाडकारान कित्याक चॅलेंज केला ना इतली वर्सां 76 to today आज they would have gone in court, not a single case. आणि म्हणून आता अमेंडमेंट करून सुद्दां पळयलें की not a single tenant has gone in court. Why? There are a lot of difficulties. की सरकारान केल्लो बदल त्वरीत फाटी घेवचो. आमी आमच्या ऑब्जेक्टिवांक 52 उद्दिश्टां समावेश केल्ले आसात. राजकीय आम्ही टच करचे ना. हांगा बसले कडेन आसा दे बिलोंग टू डिफरंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. आतां जे आसा आमचे सामाजीक विशय आमी फुडें व्हरतलो. फुडें कितें जातलें इन द कोर्स ऑफ द टायम that only God knows. So we have not touched any other subject time being. We are aware, we are studying, and हे सगळे जे प्रॉब्लेम जे आसा अन्य that we will sit together and we will submit the memorandum to government.
Goes against the definition of fishermen. Would your Mahasangh support it?
Let the request come. Let the request come. See,
sunset clause फाटी घेतात म्हणून कधी तरी चुकला म्हणून ती चुकला ती सगळीच चूक जाल्यार हें कबूल करात आनी फाटी घ्यात ते सगळं बिल कंप्लीट अशी आमची महासंघाची मागणी आसा तुमचे कडेन. बिल हाडला न्हू कोणाची मागणी आसली?
yes, very good question.
सांगचे न्हू तेणे सरकारान बाबा आमचे कडेन इतले लोकांच्यो मागण्यो आनी अश्यो मागण्यो हाडल्यो म्हणून. उलट ज्यो मागण्यो आसात थंय तशेंच धापून दवरल्यात आनी भलत्याच गोश्टीचेर तुमी डिसिजनां घेतात.
A brave old man of 71 years survived strong waves of Zuari River with his presence of mind and brave heart. Remedios Miranda fell off in Zuari River and swam for almost 18 hours and stayed afloat till he was rescued. Sanchit Naik helped the brave man out of the river to live a long life ahead. Here is a story that is stranger than fiction.
Not every person has presence of mind when you mistakenly fall into a river. But Remedios Miranda is a person who swam across for half a day and floated for some more hours. Remedios was watching a person fishing in Zuari River, but he slipped and fell into the river. Remedios could not speak much to express his excitement, but narrated his story to Prudent.
माझे तो मासे रावला आणि गेलो. माझ्या एकला आलो थिंगा निसरण पडलो. माझे निसरण पडलो असो सोयता मध्ये सोयता आसतना समतो सकल अडोगन ते पराजीचे.
A kind person, Sanchit Naik, who had gone to Sankwal for a fish catch, found Remedios floating in river. He gave him a helping hand.
उदकाच्या करंटाच्या पेवत पेवत येयला आनी रातचो तडी लागलो म्हणून लागलो. तडी लागून म्हणून लागलो मागीर तडी रातभर तो थंयच राव पूण उदकान रावलो म्हणून लागलो. आपणाक दिमी पांयां रॉड घातलेले आसा सो आपणा कडेन चलो बीन कांय जायना.
Remedios fell into the river on Sunday evening and was found to be rescued on Monday noon. He has bruises on his legs. He has iron rods placed in his legs due to which he cannot walk, but it was stunning that Remedios swam across and stayed alive.
दार आसता मातशें तेजे क्रॉस जावपाना म्हणून तेका तेजे वयल्यान हें घातली फुळी घातली आनी तेका तेजे बसयलो आनी उबारून हे सायडीचे घेतलो. आनी तेका सांगलो बाबा जात जाल्यार स्लो स्लो चल हांगा बस हांव वयता फुडें गाडी मेळटा जाल्यार तेका पळयता आनी घेवन येता आनी तुका पळयता.
People call it a miracle, but it is the strong will, presence of mind and brave heart of Remedios that survived the strong waves of Zuari. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
The High Court has given relief to the alleged encroacher families of Baina till 10th of June. About 150 huts are under eviction notice. The alleged encroacher families are before the High Court seeking rehabilitation.
High Court on Wednesday directed Goa government to maintain status quo in matter of about 150 illegal huts at Baina till next date of hearing. The vacation bench of High Court, after brief arguments, adjourned the hearing for 10 June. Goa government has issued demolition notice to the illegal huts situated at Baina, but the encroacher families under the banner of Baina Residents Welfare Association has filed petition before the High Court seeking rehabilitation. Petitioners are claiming that they have been residing in Baina for more than decades and have Aadhaar card and election voting card too. But Goa government has requested High Court not to grant them any relief as they are illegal encroachers. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Monsoon is expected to hit Goa by 7 June and Mumbai by 10 June. Advancement of southwest wind will see monsoon hitting Kerala by 1st June. Indian Meteorological Department and a leading private weather forecasting enterprise SkyMet has projected normal monsoon for 2015. It has also predicted strong pre-monsoon showers till end of May. A normal monsoon could see a drought in some parts of Tamil Nadu, while excess rain in parts of Arunachal Pradesh and Haryana.
The onset of monsoon on Kerala opens the door for rainy season over the Indian subcontinent. According to the Indian Meteorological website projection, monsoon is set in to reach Kerala by June 1st. It would reach Mumbai by June 10th, which means monsoon might make entry in Goa by June 7th or 8th. SkyMet, India's leading weather forecasting company, has released its monsoon forecast for 2015. SkyMet predicts a normal monsoon this year, but it says peninsular Indian region might get lesser rain in June, July, August and September. The regions are Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, South Interior Karnataka, East Madhya Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. Good amounts of rainfall is expected in Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh and over the west coast. SkyMet also predicts that cyclone El Nino will not have much impact on monsoon advancement. Pre-monsoon rain will be strong across the country. Unseasonal rainfall will continue well into the month of May. These are monsoon probabilities for the month of June, July, August and September by SkyMet. 64% chances of normal rainfall in June, 74% chances of normal rainfall in July, 72% chances of normal rainfall in August and 59% chances of normal rainfall in September. Goa received its first installment of pre-monsoon showers with thunder and lightning in the first week of May, to be precise on 5th May night, and it was quite devastating with many accidents and tree felling reported. Periodical spells of showers are reported in different parts of Goa these days, with temperature reeling about 30 degrees Celsius. Monsoon in the first week of June would certainly provide some respite. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.